Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the key features of NVIDIA Verified Priority Access. This program is a game changer for gamers and professionals alike, providing numerous benefits designed to enhance your experience with NVIDIA products. Step 1. Understanding NVIDIA. Verified Priority Access. NVIDIA Verified Priority Access is an exclusive membership program that offers users a range of advantages. It is designed to ensure that participants receive top-notch service and support, making their interactions with NVIDIA more efficient and enjoyable. Step 2. Enhanced customer support. One of the standout features of this program is the enhanced customer support. Members of NVIDIA Verified Priority Access can expect quicker response times, dedicated support agents, and priority access to live chat assistance. This guarantees that any issues or questions you have will be addressed promptly, minimizing downtime. Step 3. Exclusive access to beta features. Members also gain exclusive access to beta features and software updates. This means you'll be among the first to experience the latest innovations and enhancements that NVIDIA has to offer. Staying ahead of the game is crucial for both gamers and content creators, and this feature ensures you have the latest tools at your disposal. Step 4. Special discounts and offers. Another fantastic benefit includes special discounts on NVIDIA products and services. This can lead to significant savings on GPUs, software, and other products, making it a valuable perk for anyone looking to upgrade their equipment or investment in new technologies. Step 5. Priority access to events and webinars. NVIDIA also provides members with priority access to exclusive events, webinars, and online training sessions. This is an excellent opportunity to learn directly from experts, gain insights into new technologies, and connect with fellow NVIDIA enthusiasts. Step 6. Enhanced gaming experience. For gamers, having verified priority access can dramatically improve the overall gaming experience. With access to optimized settings, performance tweaks, and special features, members can maximize their gaming potential and enjoy smoother gameplay. Step 7. Community engagement. Finally, being part of the NVIDIA Verified Priority Access program means becoming part of an engaged and passionate community. This network allows members to share experiences, tips, and strategies, further enhancing the value of the membership. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support helps us create more content and keep you informed about the latest in technology. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.